Hello, viewer. Welcome again to our multi session. We're going to solve a question regarding sex. Okay, and here's the question. If I may read for you, the question reads like this. In a class of 28 students, 5 study both subjects, physics and chemistry. 7 study neither physics nor chemistry. Full stop. Those who study chemistry alone are thrice as much as those who study physics alone. Find the number of students who study Roman 1 physics and Roman 2 chemistry but not physics. Okay, here's the solution. Here's the solution. The easiest way to do this is by using a Venn diagram. Yes, because it summarizes all the information in one place, and it is easy to extract the required information so as to answer the question in a manner it is required. So here we go. First of all, we have to know this thing to do with thrice. What is that? So since we don't have the exact number, we can choose to let. Yeah, we can choose to let maybe x be equal to number of students studying physics alone. Studying physics alone. Okay, what does it mean? Does number of students studying chemistry alone will be equal to 3x. That's the meaning of thrice. So it be 3x. Okay. Then let's draw a Venn diagram here so we can put here the information. We have only two subsets, that is physics and chemistry. So let's draw one cycle. Okay, actually we call them oval diagram. That's not easy to have the actual oval diagram, so let's call them cycles. Okay, the cycles represent the sets. So maybe this one be for physics. Okay, physics. Then this one be for chemistry. I'll summarize as chem. Then the whole of this rectangle, this one, represents number of students in class. Number of students in class. How many are they? 28 students. There are 28 students. Now let's fill in the information now according to the question. That 5 study both. When you deal with Venn diagram, you are advised to always start with the intersection part. So here we have 5 study both subjects, physics and chemistry. So let's put our 5 here at the intersection part. Then 7 study neither physics nor chemistry. When you're told neither, no, it means these ones, they are not a part of the subsets, but they are part of the universal. So since the rectangle represents the universal, then you can put 7 anywhere outside the universal. Put there 7. Then this part here represents chemistry alone, and this part here represents physics alone. So physics alone, we were told it is x. Chemistry alone, that is rise of physics, that is 3x. So that's the information we have as regarding our Venn diagram. Okay, now let's summarize, or let's take everything which is in the Venn diagram to be able to answer the questions. Because the first question asks about physics, the second question asks about chemistry, but not physics. So since our diagram has got some variables, 3x and x, of which we don't know, these are assumptions. So let's first get their actual values. How do we get that? Is by adding everything within the universal set to be equal to number of students in class. That is, take 3x, add it to it 5, the intersection, add it to it x, physics alone, then add it to it 7 for neither nor. This one should be equal to 28. So this is 4x plus 5 plus 7, this is 12. This one equals 28. Okay, let's take this constant to the other side. So we shall have 4x this side. It will be equal to 28 minus 12. This is a 4x will be equal to, here we get 16. Okay, we get 16. Divide by 4, get our x to be equal to 4. So what does 4 mean? Those studying physics alone are 4. Those studying chemistry, will be 3 times 4. Okay, our intersection is 5. And those who are outside the intersection of the two cycles, 7. Okay, so to get those studying physics, now let's answer our question. Number 1, those who do physics will be equals those studying physics alone plus the intersection. This gives us 9 students. Okay, so studying physics are 9 students. Okay, this is the answer for part A. And what about Roman 2? Roman 2 is saying chemistry but not physics. Chemistry but not physics. Okay, let's look at our Venn diagram again. We got our x equals 4. Okay, so when they say chemistry but not physics, it means it is this part. Okay, this part alone. Okay, chemistry but not physics is this part where we have 3x. So if x equals 4, then 3x will be equal to, okay, for your chemistry but not physics, chemistry but not physics, this one equals 3x. And what is x? X is 4. So we shall have 3 times 4, which gives us 12 students. 12 students. So this is the answer, and thank you for watching.